Okay, we are going to make a really yummy autumn spice blend of the most wonderful smelling seasons of the fall. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you we need cinnamon, vanilla beans or ground vanilla, nutmeg, cloves, and allspice. It's very easy to put together. So let me move my phone down so you can get all the steps. I also use one of these herb shaker covers right here. I really like them a lot. They're from Ball. And this just pops right open. Or you can just unscrew the cover. So I'm going to bring you down and hold on. We started with ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons. The camera fell over. Whoops! Good start of the morning. So we have 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. And right here I have pure Mexican vanilla powder. Now it says to use ground vanilla beans. Well, that's the only thing I had, but it works great. Anything that's ground that you've got of vanilla would be great. So there's 1 tablespoon of that. And let's see, we need some nutmeg. Good old nutmeg. 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. And these are seasonings of your choice, whatever you like to use. This 1, 2 for the brand. It's not quite 2, we'll make it a little bit more. I can't see this morning. There, 2. And 1 teaspoon of cloves. Oh, cloves. Smells so good. There's 1 teaspoon of cloves. And now we've got the allspice. Allspice is a good season to have on hand for the winter months. And then all you're gonna do, I have this little baby whisk here, and all you're gonna do is whisk this together, just like this. And ta-da, you have a wonderful autumn spice blend. And it's great to put in pumpkin pie, it's great to put in apple pie, or any kind of breads you're making, fall breads, put a little bit in. So I just wanted to share this with you. And here it is. Isn't it beautiful? And I've got it in a 4-ounce jar. And I will label it. Shake it up again. I will label it and it will go in my pantry just like that. So I'll put everything in the description box below. And you can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless.